Hey guys, 4Speed Kid here. I know I haven't posted a video in a long time. Trying to get back into the groove. Just had a couple of things going on. Pulling cars out of the shop right now so that I can start consolidating. This one is sold, but still a cool toy. 70 Grand Prix, triple black, bucket seats, power windows. Neat car. Going to a good home. Still love it. Of course, still got the B-dub. Keeping it for now. Just went on a little cruise the other day in it. Runs and drives nice. Has really nice interior. I like the camel color. And then my newest adventure, you guys have seen this one as well. 68 AMX. Working on it right now. Of course, all these are out in the driveway right now because I'm trying to clean the shop out a little bit. Make some room. Red on red, 68 AMX. As I said, it's been posted before, but you guys have seen it. Red interior. I put the tilt in. Real low number. Got a couple of different options for motors right now. I did find a 401 for it, so I may end up building that. Still have the factory 390 as well. Neat car. Gonna be fun. Had one when I was a kid, as I've said in previous videos, but trying to get this one built. Then one other car I just pulled out of the shop. There's the shop with a hole in it because the car is out. Still got so much junk. Just trying to organize, get things where I can work in here. Then the last toy that I'm messing with right here, 72 GMC Sierra Grande, fully loaded factory black truck. Of course, normal rust. Got patch panels for it. Came factory with the houndstooth interior, tilt column, factory tack. I think about the only option I can tell it doesn't have maybe is AM/FM. Yeah, because it's factory black. Like I said, the interior is what it is. Factory air, factory power brakes. It is, of course, a GMC. And here, I don't know if you guys can see this. I know it's shadowed a little bit. There's the factory booster. It is a 402 truck. Everything pretty much untouched, other than what probably was done, years ago. Supposedly parked because fuel pump. I'm not sure what all's going on with it, but that's where I'm at. Haven't really messed with it other than made sure it was turned over, put Marvin Mystery Oil in it, letting it marinate till it's time to play. Again, GMC factory toolbox. It didn't come with the factory chrome bumper, but I got one I'm gonna put on it there in the back. Inside here, again, same thing. The rust in the rockers. See if this will open. Sorry about that. Those boxes are hard to open sometimes. So there's the spec sheet. Heavy duty rear end springs, 400. Which is funny, they called it 400 on here, but it's actually 402. Comfort tilt steering wheel. It had the factory full hubcaps. I have those, the GMCs. Factory tack. Tool and stowage. That's the toolbox on the side of the bed. Of course, tinted windows, front stabilizer. Had a sway bar, that's cool. Power brakes. Automatic, which is 400 turbo. Power steering. Yeah, just AM push button. So it missed that one by a bit. Should have been AM/FM. Funny about these trucks, some people can comment if you want, but also this says Cheyenne Super Sport and then parchment trim. VIN is the right VIN. It's always been a GMC Sierra Grande. Not sure why that glove box says Cheyenne Super, other than when they did that, that was their high-end package. Yeah, I can see it has the stainless on the windows, stainless on the rear, the wing windows, stainless on the rear window, plus it has the cab light. I didn't show it, but it has the headliner, black headliner, or it's black now, it was parchment. Like I said, a little bit of rust in the rockers and cab corners. I have those patch panels, just a matter of getting started on it. Neat little toy. Oh, just for fun. There's my shop truck, as they say. Crew cab, 05. Trailer that I get to haul the toys on. Anyway, guys, back to me. Like I said, 4-speed kid here. Hadn't posted a video in a minute. Wanted to get something out there, the cars, as I've got them out of the shop, playing around, cleaning. I'll start putting more videos out, probably on the 72 GMC and AMX when needed, or when I work on them. But anyway, just want to touch base. Hadn't been here in a while, so talk to you guys later.